Good morning and welcome. Today we will discuss about sectors of the Indian economy, class 10 economics, chapter 2. Before going into details, I want to say that a country's economy depends on various things. Okay, suppose economy of a country can depend on purely on agricultural for some countries. For some countries it can be minerals that or which they produce, like petrol in the Middle East, and also technology for some other countries. So economy can depend on various things. Here today we will discuss about Indian economy and its activities. First, what is economy? Those activities which generates some income are known as economic activities. Okay, for example, a computer engineer creating software for profits, or a farmer farming on his field for producing rice or wheat or pulses to sell. Okay, so there are many activities that are undertaken by directly using natural resources. Take for example the cultivation of cotton or rice or any type of cultivation, though which took place in a crop season. For us it is monsoon season. For the growth of cotton plant we depend mainly but not entirely on natural factors like rainfall, sunshine, climate. The product of this activity, cotton, is a natural product. Similarly, in this case of an activity like dairy, we are dependent on biological process of animals that we cannot control of the availability of the fodder. So, when we produce a good by exploiting natural resources or we get foods directly from natural resources and we modify them according to our need, it will be the activity of primary sector. Now, why primary? The answer will be it is because it forms the base for all other product. Means from this product we get different type of products that we will discuss later. Then, secondary sector covers the activity in which natural products are changed into other forms through ways of manufacturing that we associate with industrial activity. Like we get iron ore directly from nature. So, digging up and collecting iron ore will be a primary sector activity, and from this we get pure iron. By purifying the iron ore we get pure iron, and from that iron we make different types of tools. So that will be under secondary sector. The product is not produced by nature. Remember that we make, like tools I explained, but has to be made, and therefore some process of manufacturing is essential. This could be a factory or a workshop or at home. Here one example is given. Using cotton fiber from plant we spin yarn and weave cloth. Now there is machine. And also using sugarcane as raw material we make sugar or gur. Since this sector gradually became associated with the different kinds of industries that came up, it also called as industrial sector.